Okay, so for today's video, I wanted to go through how you would set up your custom website for doTERRA. So basically you'll start off at the doTERRA.com and it will take you to the main site. You will then go to the top right where it has your account. You'll click login. Once you're at the login page, you'll just enter in your user ID and your password and click login. Once you're in here, you'll go up to the top right and you will go over to the account profile. And then you'll click into here where it'll go to under my website. You'll click my site address. And then you'll be able to enter in your site address. So for example, mine is my.doterra.com/Zarine Barta. And you can then customize your picture and your intro and then go ahead and save those changes. So this is how for US and Canadian sites that are having doTERRA accounts, you'd be able to do that. I'm going to log into a global access account to show you the same thing on how you would customize your current website. And this, you can change it to anything you'd like. So for example, if you have a business or if you have a nickname, you can change it to be whatever you'd like as long as it's not taken by someone else, and it'll let you know if it is or not. This I highly recommend. As soon as you've enrolled as a wellness advocate, do this as one of the first things, because that will allow you to basically share this link out with others so that way you can get them enrolled as well through your personal link. So I'm going to go ahead and log out. So now for global, we're going to just make sure we're going back to the US website. So US English, otherwise, again, just type in the doTERRA.com. It'll automatically take you there. You'll then click on to, again, the account and log in. So once you've logged in, you're going to go up to my online store and click on my website. And the same thing here, you're going to just choose the name of your business site, whether it's your first and last name. So usually by default, it is either your first and last name or your doTERRA ID. So this is where, again, you want to come in here and just check under, again, the My Online Store, my website, and then it'll take you over here for you to basically enter that in. While you're in here, again, you can update your photo, your short intro, and then any direct leads where you would like them to be going towards for your website. Then what you can do is you can go preview my business site, and this will then show you the business site of what you have updated and what information you've put in here. So I highly recommend, again, make sure you get that updated as soon as possible, and go ahead and like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial.